If you have an iPhone 16 Pro and looking for a good case, check out this one, iBlason. This thing is solid and it will protect it. And first off, look at this beautiful red color. Wow, that is very sleek looking. It has a protective screen on it, but we'll get into that in a second. This thing is nice and strong and just all around protective. So pop this thing off. Inside is nice and cushy. Feels really good. It's going to protect your phone in there as well. And then you have the screen protector. So you can peel that off. And then there's one inside that we're going to peel off. You put your phone in here first. Put it in with the camera button like that. Snaps into place. And then you're going to pop your phone in like this. And it fits like a glove. It's nice and strong and solid. You can just kind of run your fingers around it to make sure it's all in there. Look at this thing. I love that red case. Very strong and very stylish. It has this door for your camera lenses to cover them. It's nice felt here, just keeping them safe. But also you can use that to prop your phone up if you're watching videos, which makes it very convenient to utilize it that way. There's really strong air cushions on the corners, keeping it from getting banged up when you drop it. And that screen protector doesn't change anything with the touchscreen and has a cutout for your camera. Easy grips on the side and custom buttons for the new camera button and the action button. And then you have a cover for your USB-C. That's a nice touch so that when it's in your pocket, it's not collecting lint. Just all around a great solid case, gonna keep it strong and sturdy, and highly recommend it. And thanks for watching.